Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Daily Teachings. I am Kizar. In today's video, we are going to look at Microsoft SharePoint. In this video, I am going to get you the whole process how you can get Microsoft SharePoint and how you can use Microsoft SharePoint. Just go to Google and write www.office.com. As you click on it, it will redirect you to the Microsoft Office.com window. Here you can see the multiple applications that you can use, and you can see here's the option for SharePoint, or you can click on this cluster and then you can select Microsoft SharePoint. Just click on it. As you click on it, it will open a window of Microsoft SharePoint, and where you will see the very first interface of Microsoft SharePoint. You can see in this window, if you have any recent project, it will show here. And if you want to create a new site or create a new post, I will explain you what is create a new site and what is create a new post. Fine. First we are going to create a new site. Just click on create a new site. It will show us two options. You want to create a team site or you want to create a communication site. It's up to you what type of site you want to create. Let's see, create a site, team site or communication site. I will guide you how you can create a team site and how you can create a communication site. Just click on team site and here name your site like daily teachings. Like is the name of my site and it's showing that is available. Yes, this site name is available. You can add the description about your site, or you can adjust the privacy settings, means you want to make it public or you want to make it private. In public, anyone in the organization can access this site. In private, only the members can access this site. And if you want to change the language, English is by default language. If you want to change the language, you can change. For now, we are selecting English and click on next. Here it's asking about the additional owner. You want to add any additional owner to the site, like in previous video we see that who can see our post, like only members or all the members in our organization. In owners, add additional owner. Whoever you add can change and edit anything, and in add members you can add the members of your team. Just click on it like this. I just click add one member as an owner, and I'm adding him as a member, and just click on finish. As you click on finish, you will see the very first interface about the team site of Microsoft SharePoint, and you can see here are the different options. What you have to do, first of all, you have to edit this page. Just click on edit. It's preparing. Yes, now it's bring us into the edit window, and here's an option for the news. You want to add anything, you want to change the settings, or you want to add anything behind this, you can add. It's up to you what you want to add. Just click on plus icon and it will show you the multiple option what you want to add, and as you complete it you can save it as a draft or you can republish it. Fine. And here's an option for add. You can add new post or a new link. I want to add a new post. I click on new post, and it's showing me the multiple templates that I want to add a blank, visual or basic text. And as you click on every option, it will show you the sample. For now I want to create a visual. I just click on it and create page. Name your daily teachings. Name your post, edit your honors. You can name anyone who means you are writing this thing, definitely you will write your name, or if you want to make this post on any other person, you can write his name or her name here. Fine. Here you can see a text. You can add hello, how are you guys, or how are you all, and in this way you can add any type of comments or any type of announcement that you want to ask your team. Fine. And here's an plus button. You can add a text, you can add an image, you can add a file viewer, link, embed, and you can see here are the multiple options. Means even you can add the things from Google Analytics and from GitHub. It's up to you what you want to add. Fine. For now, let's see, I want to add countdown or any other thing. Let's see, I want to add a YouTube video. I just click on it, and when I click on add video, it will redirect me to the new window, that what type of window I want to add. It's up to you that what type of window you want to add. And you can see here's the editing bar, that what is the width of this box and what is the height of this box and what is the start time. Fine. In this way you can change the pictures as well. Right, just click on this picture and click on this edit button. You will see the multiple options here. You can crop this, you can change its directions, or you can align it, or you can cancel it. Fine. Or if you want to save it, just click on save and add a caption about your picture. And if you do not want this, just click on this and click on this delete button, it will delete. And if you want to undo your command, you can click on this undo button, and in this way you can undo your command. And again, if you want to add a picture, just click on this and click on image and browse image, and it's up to you. You want to select your image from your recent image, stock images, web search, OneDrive, site, or you want to upload from your device or from your drive or from a link. Stock images, I just click on the stock images. This no stock images, and you can upload. Let's pause here in downloads. I want to just add this image and click on add image. You can see that images automatically adjust on the point. Fine. In this way you can now save it as a draft, or you can post your news. Just click on the post, and when your team members come to your site, they will see this post that you have made for them. Fine. Now here's again option for new. You can create a new post, or you can and copy this post. Means if you want to create another post and you want same format that you created earlier, you can just click on new and copy this new post. Fine. Here is a send by email. Means you can send this post to your members by email. Just clicking on this, and here too, and you can add the message, and you can see here is our post that we have created, and you can promote it, or you can go for the page details like this. And here's the very much important option, home conversations. If your team want to communicate, they can communicate through the Outlook, because whenever you want to communicate with your team or with your friends, it will directly redirect you to the Microsoft Outlook. And here's in document. If you want to upload any document instead of post, you can upload here. Like for now there is no document and I want to upload new one. I just click on upload and click on file and click on download and just click on this very first file, and you can see the file has been uploaded. And here is giving me option notify to your team. If you click on it, it will send email to all of your team. And when your team come to your site and click on documents, they will see this document. When they click on it, it will open this document. Fine. And here's an option share with us, means files that has been shared with us, notebook, pages, site content. You can see the site content here, that in document there's only one document, site has only 5 sites, there's no template for our site, and there's only 2 site pages. And in recycle bin you will see the things that you have deleted. Fine. It's all about Microsoft SharePoint team view. Now go to SharePoint and create another site name communication site. I just click on create site, and this time we are going to create a communication site. It's very much familiar. We have to just name our site. Again I'm naming is daily teaching. You want to choose the design or you want to change the design. Like for now it's a topic, you can change it to the showcase, and it will also show you the demo of this design. Or you want to make it blank, or it's up to you what type of design you want to select. And for now I want to select the topic, and here this site address is available with modification. I don't want to modify it, and here I can write the description here. And here is again option for the language, and I want to select English as a default and click on finish. As I click on finish, it will redirect me to the Microsoft SharePoint communication site. This one is very much attractive than Microsoft Teams site. And what you have to do, again you have to click on this edit button. It's preparing your page for editing, and you can change now each and everything what you want to change. You can change the styles, or you can add new things. Like I click on this, if I want to edit it, I just click on edit button. I can change the titles like welcome and select the edit the file top. It's up to you. I welcome to daily teachings, and I click on change. You can see it's automatically change the things. And if you want to upload any image, you can upload image or change image as well. Just click on this button, or it's asking you to the focus where you want to focus. Like I want to focus this site. Now here is asking me to the layout, means I want one column layout, 2 columns layout, 3 columns layout, or 1/3 left or 1/3 left. For now I want to select 1 column layout. Fine. Here you can add news. It's up to you what you want to add. You can ask people, or you can name their profile. You can add links, you can add sites, location, or it's same as we see Microsoft SharePoint Teams menu. And you can add anything if you want to add. Like when I click on this plus button, it will again asking me what you want to add. It's up to you. You want to add image, file viewer, link, embed. For now, if I want to add a countdown, means I have a news or I have anything to publish, and I want to add a countdown, and I want to make any suspiciousness in my team, and I can add countdown in this way that only 23 hours, 52 minutes and 50 seconds are remaining. If you want to edit it, means if there are more than this is, you can select the time, date and time. You can change. For now, if I want to publish it in next week, you can see it's automatically changed to the 7 days, 23 hours, 51 minutes and 52 seconds. You can add the titles like good news. Fine. In this way you can only display the day, hours and minutes, or minutes and seconds. I think this format is very much fine. Or I can add any background picture. I just click on add, and again I want to upload the picture, choose the image, and I want to upload this picture in the background, and just click on add image, and it will add image automatically. Fine. You can see here you can add description about your news. It's up to you what you want to add, and you can republish it. It's republishing it. Fine. Here's the basic news, or basic things, or basic new post about your site. And here is a very much important corner about the countdown that any good news is coming. It's about 7 days and 23 hours and 50 minutes. In this way you can add anything, you can edit this, or you can add new things. And it's all about Microsoft SharePoint. If you have any question, you can ask in a comment box. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to this channel, and also like this video and click on bell icon. Thanks for watching.